In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a daily reminder using the new Trello style. This process is perfect for ensuring you never miss your daily meetings, task reviews, or just a motivational nudge to keep you and your team on track. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Trello account ready. Head on over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials, so take a moment to enter your username and password. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the board where you'd like to set up your daily reminders. You might use different boards for various teams or projects, so select the one that's most appropriate for today's task. With your desired board open, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click the automation button. This will unveil Trello's powerful automation feature, also known as Butler. Now find and click on Rules. This is the spot where you can identify specific actions you want Trello to automate for you. Once you're in the Rules section, you'll see an option to select a due date. This is where we will establish the timing for your daily reminder. After selecting the due date that aligns with your needs, click on Create Automation. This choice allows you to define the precise conditions and actions for your reminder. Next, we'll add a trigger. Click on Add a Trigger, then select the day on which this reminder should occur. This could be a weekday if your reminder is work-related, or any day that suits your schedule. Once you've chosen the day, hit the plus icon to add it to your rule. Now, depending on your preferences, you'll need to decide the style of reminder you want. Trello allows you to customize how you'd like to receive these notifications, whether it's via a card added to a board or a direct notification. Choose the style that best fits your workflow. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure all your selections are accurate. After your selections are locked in and you're confident everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click Save. This final step seals the deal, ensuring your daily reminder is ready to keep you organized and on track. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a daily reminder on Trello. This simple automation can make a huge difference in maintaining order and consistency in both your personal and professional life. By integrating Trello automation features, you'll save time and mental energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Keep experimenting with different automations and discover how Trello can tailor even more to your needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.